Welcome guys, so today I'm with OPPO Reno 7 Lite and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So to open the pro mode, you have to go for the camera application, select more, and then tap on Pro Expert mode. As you can see, now we got it right here in this place, the information icon, as you can see. So I can recommend you to tap on it and then read all of this description of each feature. As you can see, we get here ISO, shutter speed, white balance, focus, and exposure compensation. And right now I'm going to show you all of these parameters, the maximum and the lowest and the highest values of each parameter. Okay, and above we can also find camera timer, 3 or 10 seconds, and also flashlight. So that's all for the pro mode on the OPPO Reno 7 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.